Hi there. In this video, I'm going to talk about what are arrays in PHP and how you can utilize them. Before we do that, let us understand the concept of arrays. So I'll just take you to a small diagram. So let us say if we have these three blocks, 1, 2, and 3, and we assign these values as 1, 2, and 3. So basically what's happening is that 1, 2, and 3 corresponds to the individual blocks. So this block is 1, this block is 2, and this block is 3. And this whole thing from here to here is called as an array. So array basically has a key which is denoted by 1, 2, and 3, and the value which is denoted by these box. These box could have any value. For example, they can have a text, kind of name, so 1 will correspond to John, 2 will correspond to Mary, and 3 will correspond to Bob. This is the basic concept of array. To explain to you in a little bit more better way, so if I have this key 1 which is equivalent to John, key 2 which denotes Mary, and key 3 which denotes Bob, this is what is an array. So basically PHP array is just defined like this: 1, 2, 3, and then the values. So if you don't give the values in PHP array, they are implicitly taken from starting from 0, 1, and then 2, 3, and so on. If you give them some value, for example J is equivalent to John, and M has a value Mary, and B has a value Bob, you cannot have another B here because the B is already taken. So basically the array keys have to be kind of unique. The value could be different. So for example, you could have C as Bob once again. That is alright because the key is different from the other keys. That is the concept of array. In PHP, to denote the array, it's very simple to do. Just go to the PHP file, any PHP file, open in your favorite editor. So in PHP, to denote an array or to depict an array, all you need to do is use dollar, which indicates a variable, and then use a variable name, dollar, for example, name array, name underscore array. And to declare an array, all you need to do is use this keyword called as array, put in brackets, the round brackets, open and close, and put a semicolon. That is how you declared an empty array. So basically, if you had this without any boxes or without any values, this is what you get. If you want to put values right in here, you can add these values inside two double quotes like this. This is one way of declaring the array. So this array will implicitly have values as John as 0, Mary as 1, and Bob as 2. You don't have to assign it, the PHP does it by yourself. But if you want to give in explicit values, then you have to declare another one, again an array, opening and closing brackets, round brackets, and write something like this: J, first the keys, M, and B. And J, we give a symbol called as equal to and greater than sign, and we give the value here, and this is another array. So the difference between these two arrays is that the first one has the values as 0, 1 and 2, while the second one has keys called as J, M and B. So the next question could be how to use these values of the array. So for example, if you want to retrieve John's name from this array, how do you do that? I show you both of the cases. The first case where we have implicit assignment of the array keys 0, 1, 2, and then the explicit assignment J, M and B. So to access the values in the first array, since we know that it is numbered from 0, 1, 2, 3, so we'll use simple echo statement, and we use $name underscore array, and here we choose value as 0. So when we run this file, we should see the name as or the value of the variable that has been outputted as John. Let us check it out whether it happens or not. So as you can see, John has been outputted. So if we use 1 here instead of 0, I hope you would have understood by now what is going to be outputted. Exactly. And if we use 2, then the value Bob would be outputted. It's very simple. 0, 1, 2. So if you want to use instead of 0, 1, 2, we are aware of the keys like this, and we want to use the keys instead of these 0, 1, 2s. Then how do we go about it? We type in echo and the variable name, and instead of 2 we use a single quote and another single quote or double quote, whatever is fine with you. Put the key name J. I'll just comment the above statement, and according to our new statement, now John should be printed on the screen. So you can see John has been printed. We can print Bob now just by changing the key to B. Now let us take a real world example. For example, if you have an array of customer IDs, customer ID, let's say call it C1, and the ID as first name as John, C2 as Mary, so if I want to access the customer ID by the ID and want to echo that value, to match the case here, C1 and C1, the case have to match. I'll just comment this one also out, and now John should be output on the screen. So as you can see, I can access multiple sets of information from this. If I have related information, I can go into kind of a key and a value pair. If the keys are not defined, then they have the values as 0, 1, 2, 3 in consecutive sets. Once from 0 it goes to 1, and from there 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you can assign individual values like this. This is a very basic presentation about how to understand the concept of arrays in PHP, and I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and please subscribe. Thank you.